Hello everyone! Welcome to Street and Radio Official.
Guess where we are?
Yeah, guess where we are? We're at IKEA. Okay,
This
now
is-
we're at the entrance. We're going in.
You not park here is for specific people or no?
Okay.
Alright, you can park.
Look, love it. I don't have slipper. Don't get crazy. Are you ready?
IKEA. We're at IKEA.
Right?
Where are you?
We're at IKEA. This is second time.
So, you're coming from where?
There's my dad. Okay,
So, you're coming directly from village to IKEA?
Yes, this is another visit to IKEA.
Take sanitizer.
Take. Here it goes.
Now we're at the entrance and we're going up the elevator now. Let's go. My mom, my dad, and my sis are checking out the bed and then we'll set up over there. Let's go up.
Not scared. No, just follow the step.
Sometimes I get confused like where to step on this.
It's been so long, right?
Yeah, it's been really long. Getting
I'm just scared.
so let's go.
Yeah.
Now where should we go next?
Let's go to restaurant. It's breakfast time.
Yeah, let's go.
You know what you want?
So looks like the shop is not open. It opens at 10 o'clock. But we came a little bit early and the restaurant's open. So let's go into the restaurant.
Yay.
Good music over there.
Okay, let's go.
Behave nice. Don't behave like a rural girl. Rural state who doesn't have any information.
Yeah, business.
Too much time.
So this is the restaurant and let's go and check what's out there to eat. I'm hungry.
But Pulihora is there. Pulihora is here.
Oh, there's the coffee machine. Restaurant and let's go grab some breakfast.
Cut. Push it.
We are grabbing.
ఇప్పుడు తడబడతా వెంద్రా
Got my tray. Got my tray. Yeah, you can. Let's go.
You can pick up the food.
Let's take salad with us.
Yeah.
Salad.
I want to salad.
Morning salad. Bread butter.
I want to try.
ప్రిఫరెన్స్ తీసుకోవచ్చు అవి కొంచెం చూసి
What happened?
Looks like the fruit salad plus this croissant is like at 80 rupees. So like maybe there's a discount and an offer or that. So yeah, we're gonna get that.
not really an offer, just breakfast.
Yeah.
So now you're taking crescents?
Yes.
Your favorite?
Yes. The most favorite bread
Yeah.
type.
There you go. Anything else you like to have?
I'm taking that breakfast. That's my breakfast.
Mine. Yeah, that's mine.
No, I don't want any break.
I want the same one.
So we'll see that. Wait, no. So let's start.
I'm definitely going
Enjoying the food?
Yeah. Feasting on butter and croissants and
So we're going shopping now. I need to. I found these. Look at these
So like we were eating, and like after we were done eating, we checked the time, and then it was 10:10. Oh yeah, it's time for the shopping part to open. So now we're here to shop. Let's go.
Welcome with the flowers.
Yeah, big flowers and nice glass vases.
Okay, let's go.
Nice here. Let's go.
Let's jump.
Let's go to the cooking place or something.
Hey, do. Shopping?
I just like this. How much is this small piece of... Wait, this one.
I don't know how much is that.
How much is it?
I told you, there should be some price on it. 79.
29? Where did you check it?
Here.
These are 79.
This is 59.
Ooh, these are 79.
That's 79.
Oh, flower. That thing. Flower.
Hitu.
Little place inside.
Oh, look at this. The dance box. Wait, a story. Wait.
Lots of orangutan.
It's a bunk bed, right?
Too hot.
Too heavy?
Too hot.
Too hot.
Furniture.
అదొక స్టూల్ 299.
అవును ఒకటి అంటుంది.
You're taking the stool?
It's the last one. The orange is the last one.
So you're taking?
I want to take purple.
You want to take purple?
Sweet friend.
In the bag. Happy?
Oh, it's this here. It's here. Hey, look at the bag.
Guess what? There's no toys. See? We'll be back with your favorite toys soon. Soon when? We just came now. I don't want it now.
No toys now?
Yep, no toys.
So
But still, we got something else.
something else.
Maybe.
Not for that.
Yeah, of course not for that. There's no cooking.
I want to listen to them.
Hey.
It's not that papad.
It's
What is it?
Look at this. It's amazing. They're balls. Like curly. It's hot.
It's hot. It's on, right?
And we can like add it to whatever we want. Like they gave some kind of, those things over there.
You can put it in that.
Yeah. And so we get the light out. Now we're at the billing section, and look at this.
This is what section is this?
Storage room. I think this is near the billing where you're supposed to go. We're supposed to go further. Let me check the map. what this place is. This is like this. So now we're back to where we started, and we didn't buy much things because this was like an unexpected, a trip to IKEA, and there were no toys, so we couldn't buy much over here. So yeah, we're going back home. Thanks for watching. Hope you like, share, and subscribe to Read and Ready Official.